Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Oluwaseyi Alade Art. Today we'll be reading aloud the exciting book Peppa Pig Recycling Fun. Recycling is fun. Mr. Bull, the bin man, is collecting the rubbish. It's early in the morning, so he tries to be as quiet as he can. Crash! Clank! But Mr. Bull is not very good at being quiet. Hello, Mr. Bull, snort Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George. Hello, everyone, says Mr. Bull. Peppa and George are helping to clear up the breakfast things. We don't put bottles in the rubbish bin. They can be recycled, says Mummy Pig. Soon they have collected enough things, so Peppa and her family set off for the recycle center. Mummy Pig has the bottles and Peppa has the tin cans. George has the newspapers. Is everyone ready? asked Daddy Pig. Yes, shout Peppa and George. Clink, clink, rattle. Rattle, rustle, rustle. Soon they arrive at Miss Rabbit's recycle center. Miss Rabbit is sitting high up inside a big crane. She is busy recycling all the rusty old cars. It is very noisy. Who knows which bin the bottles go in? Asks Mummy Pig. The green one, says Peppa. That's right, snorts Daddy Pig. And the cans go in the blue one, says Peppa. Well done, Peppa, smiles Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig lifts George up so he can empty the newspapers into the red bin. Rustle, rustle. George is so happy. Where's our car gone? asks Daddy Pig. Stand back, shouts Miss Rabbit from up above them. Miss Rabbit is about to recycle Peppa's car. Stop! shouts Peppa. Our car isn't old and rusty. Ahaha, silly me, says Miss Rabbit. I just love recycling. So do we, laughs Peppa. But we also love our little car. The end. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing books which we'll read aloud together. Bye.